So the laminator is the machine that almost put me out of business, and I almost cried uncle. I rented a 20-foot Penske truck, drove to Indiana, got trained on that machine on a Friday, drove through the night, trained the team to use this machine, this laminator, all day on Saturday. When I was training them, I got a little overzealous. It was not stopping in the way that I wanted to, and I mistakenly put my hand in and I was grabbing onto the wire to kind of fix a piece of a machine, and I almost cut off my finger, and I have a scar to prove it. You see all these rolls of raw material that it takes in order to make a filter. We were using that machine, and at least half of them were waste because the glue was never drying on the original machine that we bought. And I found out that there was a hot glue version of this machine. You know, I was able to find it, put it into place, and then that was really the turning point for the business. One of the things that you hear me say a lot, is just kind of part of my business philosophy, is that any problem in business is solvable. Every process or every system that you see throughout our business is something that I originally built. The way I did that was through reverse engineering, kind of using a first principles type approach. If I want to solve this problem, what is the path of least resistance for me solving that problem? So an example for that here would be our pick tickets. We struggled for years where we would get the wrong label put on the wrong box at the end of our line because people got confused as to what order it was at the very end. There is no software that you could go out and buy that would do this for the pleated air filter market. And so you actually see that they have it up here on the computer screen. We call it admin supply buy. It's a system that basically keeps everything here organized. That system is something that I have built and evolved over the years based off of my experience in actually operating in this facility.
The next year we started producing our own filters.